Good day, Sir Manzanero. I'm here to discuss my topic, which is about client presentation development and delivery content development suggestions. But first, I'm gonna introduce myself. I am Fully Earl Gabriel E. from 3SMP2. For the overview of my report, we'll tackle about objectives page, summary page, retention, and simplicity. Every effective learning sessions begin with a clear purpose. Think of it as a setting the GPS before a journey. You need to know where you're going. These objectives tell participants what kind of knowledge or behaviors change they can expect. If attendees see the topic or they see the topic matches their needs, they're more likely engaged fully. If it doesn't, or if it doesn't align, they can decide early on to step away, which respect everyone's time. For the presenter, objectives act as a guardrails. They help keep the content focused, avoiding tangents or unnecessary stories that may be interesting but don't serve the goal. Throughout the session, both the learner and the facilitator can keep coming back to the objective as a guiding light. It is not just about teaching, it's about staying on track to make sure learning happens with purpose. Here are the specific outcomes we're aiming for in the session. By the end, you'll know how much to outline a structured presentation, write a clear and compelling course description, and develop smart objectives, meaning objectives that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and also time bound. These goals are intentionally narrow and practical. We're not going to complicate things with academic theory or tools you'll never use. Instead, everything we introduce will directly support your ability to plan, write, and deliver effective learning sessions. This approach keeps the session efficient and ensures that you leave with actionable skills, not just general knowledge. For this slide, it serves as the roadmap and a memory boosters. It pulls together the session's key ideas, and restates the objectives in one neat summary. This is helpful because people tend to remember what they hear last, that's known as recent effect. It's also a great slide for anyone who needs a quick reference or who maybe have joined the session late. Rather than sifting through multiple slides, they can look here and immediately understand the structure, goals, and takeaways of the sessions. It's a visual checkpoint for everyone's in the room. Next, and for this slide, it walks you through to the step-by-step process of course development. It starts with defining this course title and clear objectives. This laid the foundation. From there, you break the course into logical sessions, flesh those sessions out with detail, and conduct a trial run or pilot sessions. The trial run is especially useful. It helps identify and confusing parts, time management issues, or gaps in content. You also learn how to craft a course description that captures what your course is about, what learners will gain, and how it stands out from similar offerings. This breakdown simplifies what can often feel like an overwhelming task. Helping people remember what we teach is just as important as delivering content. One way to boost retention is by making the material feel relevant from the start. Asking a simple questions like, why do you think this matters to you? It gets people personally invested. We can also add light pressure. Mentioning a quiz or a recap later often makes people pay closer attention. It doesn't have to be stressful. It's just enough to raise awareness. And finally, repeating key points in different ways, saying them aloud, showing them in slides, asking people to summarize really helps. The goal is to activate different parts of the brain, so the content doesn't just pass through it and it sticks. This study shows that most people forget the majority of a lecture within 24 hours. It is not a flaw. It's just how memory works. That's why we need more than just talking at people. Adding interaction, it like activities, discussions, or reflections can dramatically increase how much people remember. If learners do something with the material, not just listen to it, they're far more likely to retain. So instead of more content, you just need to aim for more connection. One of our goals when designing learning materials is clarity. Learners can understand the content quickly and accurately. A good test is whether your content still makes sense in multiple formats, whether it's written in paragraph, listed in bullets, or shown in a table, meaning it should come through clearly. This matters because different people absorb information in different ways. And it is a fact. Some learners prefer structured lists, others respond better to narrative explanations or visual layouts. By ensuring that the key messages is understandable in any format, we make our content more inclusive and learner friendly. It's not just about accessibility. It's also about flexibility. Clear formatting helps you stay organized and adapt easily when presenting on different platforms or devices. Whether someone's reading slides, printed notes, or viewing a screen share, the clarity should remain intact. It is tempting to use a lot of tech, like example videos, animations, interactive quizzes, but too much complexity can create problems. Files may not open properly, devices might be incompatible, or your internet might be dropped at the worst moment. These issues breaks the flow of learning and can frustrate both presenters and the learners. That's why a simpler approach is often more effective. Focus on the content and use tools that are reliable. For example, use basic slides that clearly communicate your points and only include multimedia if it truly adds value or not just for decoration. And also, always prepare a backup. Print a few copies of your slides or keep offline versions available. Test everything ahead of time, especially if you're using someone else's equipment or switching location. In the end, your learners will remember the messages more than the effects. Keeping things simple often makes the session smoother, clearer, and more professional. That would be all, and thank you.